This is Noah. He is poor, quiet, and kind. He works as a waiter.
This is Liam. He is Noah's friend. He wants success fast.
This is Victor. He is the rich owner. He believes rich people are better. Noah, you always walk like you are afraid here. I am not afraid, I just work very carefully. Careful work will not change your life at all. It helps me earn money and live each day.
I want a big life, not this small job.
Big dreams are good, but we need patience too.
Noah, table 5 needs water right now.
Yes, sir, I will go there quickly now.
And smile more. Rich guests like happy faces. We serve them like they are kings here.
They pay, so we must respect them always.
One day, I will sit like them proudly.
At that moment, someone new walks into the restaurant.
This is Clara. She is rich, kind, and soft-hearted.
Welcome, Clara. Your table is ready as always.
Thank you, Victor. This place feels calm today.
We keep everything perfect for our special guests.
I like simple things more than perfect things.
That is why you are different from others.
Miss, here is your tea and fresh bread.
Thank you. You place me nicely here.
I try not to make mistakes while working.
Do you always speak so softly like this?
Yes, I do not talk much with people.
That is okay. Soft people are often good.
Thank you. I will come if you need anything.
Noah, do you work here every single day?
Yes, I work here almost every day.
Do you ever take rest or enjoy something?
I rest at night and draw in mornings.
You draw? That sounds very interesting to me.
They are small drawings, nothing very special.
Small things can also be very beautiful sometimes.
I never show them to anyone at all.
You can show them to me if you want.
I will think about it, maybe someday.
I like seeing real things.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
You talk to her like you know her well. She is just kind, nothing more than that. Rich girls are never just kind. Remember that. Not everyone is same. People can be different. You are getting close, I can clearly see. I am only being polite, nothing else here.
I wish she talked to me like that. She can, just be kind and calm.
Life is not that simple like you think. Maybe we make life hard with our thinking. You always act like you understand everything. I only try to stay peaceful inside.
Noah, do not stand near guests too much.
Sorry, sir, I was just taking her order.
Remember your job and your place clearly.
Yes, sir, I understand what you mean.
Victor, he was only helping me politely.
Staff must keep distance from special guests.
People are not just staff, they are human.
In business, everyone has their own place.
Noah, did you bring your drawings with you?
Yes, I brought them, but they are very simple.
Can I see them now for a moment?
Yes, but please do not laugh at them.
I will not laugh, I promise you that.
Here, you can look at them carefully.
These are very beautiful. You draw very well.
No one ever said that to me before.
Maybe no one looked at you properly before.
I think people only see my uniform here.
I see more than that when I look.
Thank you, that makes me feel a little happy. So now you show your drawings to her? She asked kindly, so I showed her them. You are getting too close. This is not good. I am not doing anything wrong at all. You do not understand how rich people think.
Clara does not feel like other rich people. That is what you think right now. Why are you speaking like this to me? Because I do not want you to get hurt. Or maybe you are feeling something else inside. I am just telling you the truth clearly. Then please trust me to handle my life.
Clara, you are spending too much time here.
I like talking to people who are honest.
People from different worlds should stay apart.
I do not believe in that kind of thinking.
This can create problems for you later.
Respect should not depend on money or status.
You are young, you will learn this later.
No, I already understand this very clearly.
His face changes slowly. Jealousy is now turning into something darker.
She is even arguing with Victor for you. I did not ask her to do that.
You are lucky without even trying hard. I never felt lucky in my life before.
Maybe now your life is starting to change. Change is not always easy or safe.
I wish I had this chance instead.
Liam, you can also do something better. I wish I had this chance instead.
Liam, you can also do something better.